Ever wondered how people invest in big US companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google without needing to spend thousands of dollars? What if I told you that you can start investing in these massive companies with just $1? Yes, you heard that right, $1. And the best part, you can do it all from your phone. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you know exactly how to invest in top US stocks from anywhere in the world, be it from Nigeria, from South Africa, from anywhere, all without breaking the bank. Most people think investing is something only the rich can afford, or that it requires a ton of complicated financial knowledge. Trust me, I used to think that too, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Here's the truth. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. In fact, with the method I'm about to show you, you can own shares of companies like Apple or Amazon for as little as $1. Yes, guys, just $1. And no, you don't have to be in US to do it. Let me show you how it works. Here's my phone and I'm going to search for a stock. Let's try Apple, one of the most valuable companies in the world. Now, Apple's full stock price is over $100. But here's the cool part. I don't need to buy the whole share. I can just invest $1 and own a small piece of the company. This is called fractional investing, and it allows you to buy a portion of a share so you can invest whatever amount you're comfortable with. And just like that, guys, just like that, with a couple of taps on my phone, I am now an investor in Apple. But why should you even bother investing in stocks? I mean, is it really worth it? Let's talk about numbers. Historically, the stock market has provided an average return of 7 to 10% per year. Compare that to what your savings account is offering, probably around 1% or even less. Investing gives your money a chance to grow at a much faster rate over time. So instead of letting your money just sit in the bank, why not put it to work for you? Even if you're starting with just $1, over time, that small amount can grow into something much bigger. Now, investing isn't just about getting rich overnight. The stock market can go up and down, but over the long term, it tends to grow. The key is patience. You want to stay invested for the long haul. When you invest in companies like Apple, Amazon, or Google, you're betting on their future success. These companies have a strong history of innovation and growth. Sure, there will be ups and downs, but if you hold on and invest consistently, you'll likely see your money grow over time. Another key to successful investing is diversification, guys. Diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, you can spread your investments across different companies. For example, you don't have to invest everything in just Apple. You could put small amounts into Amazon, Google, and other companies you believe in. This way, if one stock doesn't perform well, the others might do better. Diversifying your investments reduces your risk and helps keep your portfolio balanced. Here now, you can see on my own portfolio, you can see that I invested in different companies, right? You can see Bank of America, you can see Unilever, and so on, just to make it diversified, just to make it balanced, right? For an example, if energy transfer is not doing well, I know I have Unilever, Bank of America, and so on to back it up. Do you get? So now you're probably wondering, what app am I using that allows me to invest in US stocks for as little as $1? The app I've been using is called Bamboo. It's designed for easy, secure investing in the US stock market, and you can start with as little as $1. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Bamboo makes it super simple to invest in companies you love. If you're ready to start investing today, I've put a link in the description below. Click that link, download the app, and start building your financial future $1 at a time. It's never been easy to get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on investing, money management, and growing your wealth.